In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Formstack template. Quick tutorial. By the end, you'll be signed in, starting a new form from a template, and saving the QR code image so you can easily share or print access to your form. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Formstack. Click through to the official site so you land on the dashboard area. If your organization uses a specific region or workspace, make sure you're on the correct login page to avoid access issues. Next, click Sign In. Enter your account credentials securely, and if your company uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts. Then click Login and wait a moment for your dashboard to load fully. If you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one where you're allowed to create forms. From the dashboard, open the Products menu and choose Forms. This takes you to the Forms area where you can manage existing forms or build new ones. Look for the Create Form button and click it. This is where the setup begins. You'll be asked what you want to create. If you see options like starting from scratch or using existing content, choose the path that aligns with using a template. This keeps things fast and consistent. Give your form a clear, descriptive name so teammates can identify it later and so reports are easy to scan. Now start with a template, browse the library, use keywords to narrow results, and preview templates to ensure they match your use case, whether it's registrations, requests, or surveys. When you've found a good fit, click Next Step to continue. You'll be prompted to choose a theme for styling. Pick one that matches your brand's look and feel. You can usually adjust colors and fonts later in the builder, so don't worry if you need to refine it afterward. Click Finish to generate the form from your chosen template with the selected theme applied. With the form created, head to the Share section. Here you'll see Publish options, including a link, embed code, and a QR code. Locate the QR code on the page. It's a quick way for people to open the form on their devices without typing a URL. Before sharing, it's a good idea to scan it with your phone to confirm it opens the correct form. When you're ready, click Save as Image. Choose a destination on your computer, confirm the file name, and save. PNG is a great default for printing or dropping into documents and slides. And that's it! Your template-based form is live and you've downloaded its QR code image for easy distribution.